Hello students, hope you all are doing good. So today we'll continue the role of philosopher in French Revolution. So the Enlightenment really was a time where people took the ideas and methods of scientific revolution. The Enlightenment produced numerous books, essays, inventions, scientific discoveries, laws, wars and revolution. The French Revolution was directly inspired by Enlightenment idea and respectively marked the peak of its influence and beginning of its decline. Now we will see the role played by the different philosophers in the French Revolution. John Locke. The book written by John Locke is Two Treatises of Government. So what was the message given by him? He sought to refute the doctrine of divine and absolute right of the monarch in his book. In simple language, John Locke refused the absolute right of the monarch. It means that nobody is superior and no one is inferior. The rights are given. If the rights are given, those rights should be given to all, not to only monarch. So a second philosopher was Montesquieu. Montesquieu's book is Spirit of Law. He proposed a division of power within the government. It means he said that power should not be concentrated on one hand, but the power should be divided between the three organs: legislative, executive, and judiciary. So in India, even we have these organs. These are the three organs of a government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. So that laws are made by the legislature, laws are implemented by the executive, and our judiciary interprets the law. Our third philosopher was Rousseau. He wrote a book called Social Contract. What was the name of the book? Social Contract, written by Rousseau. He proposed a form of government which was based on the social contract between people and their representative. It means that what message he had given in his book, that government should be always based on the consent of people. It means there should be a proper contract between people and their representative. It means whatever decisions are taken, that should be with public. Like how we have representative government today. Like democratic government, representative government. Our minister will take the decisions, but those decisions will be in favor of public. So this brought the awareness among the people of France to fight against monarchy. So with these, we covered the role of philosopher in the French Revolution. We'll be continuing with the another topic in our next lecture. So till then, stay home, stay safe. Have a wonderful day.